The National Coalition of Northern Lawyers and Public Interest Activists has welcomed the landmark ruling annulling the reinstatement of Muhammadu Sanusi II as Emir of Kano. The group said the judgment vindicates the popular stance on the legality of the Kano State Government's actions in dissolving the Kano Emirates and dethroning Emir Ado Bayero. Justice Abdullahi Liman of the Federal High Court Kano overturned all the actions taken by Governor Abba Yusuf after the Kano Emirates law was amended by the State House of Assembly on May 23, 2024. Justice Liman faulted the governor's assent to the bill and the presentation of an appointment letter to Sanusi on May 24, 2024, despite an order of court directing all parties to maintain status quo. Speaking at a press conference on Friday, convener Barrister Napoleon Otache commended the court for upholding the rule of law and protecting the sanctity of traditional institutions, adding that the ruling is a victory for justice, truth, and the people of Kano State. The group therefore urged Governor Yusuf to apologize to Emir Ado Bayero for the humiliation and hardship inflicted upon him due to the unlawful dissolution of the Kano Emirates. Otache advised the governor to respect the court's decision and work towards peace and reconciliation in Kano State.
Our coalition further demands that all parties should commit to peace, even as we ask that Governor Yusuf apologize to all the concerned for the mental torture, anguish, harm, degrading treatment that the Emir Ado Bayero has been subjected to in the last few weeks since the state governor started this macabre dance. It's a shameful dance. It's a dance without any melody of music. A dance that is lacking to a mad person on the street that is running amok with a dangerous dagger on his hand. This is what is happening in Kano. And it's high time goodwill Nigeria should rise to the occasion and condemn what is apparently condemnable. Keeping quiet in the face of what is happening in Kano amounts to a national conspiracy that its consequences may consume all of us. We will appeal to the Nigeria Bar Association to review the actions of the Kano State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Barrister Haruna Issa Denderi, who constituted himself into a court of appeal by engaging in the unlawful interpretation and review of the ruling of the Federal High Court instead of guiding his employer, which is the Kano State Government, on the proper implementation of the verdict as an Attorney General of a state. Part of his duty is to act as a chief law officer of the state. And being the chief law officer of the state, he is duty bound to give sound opinion and also a professional advice on issues of law to his employer, the Kano State Government, irrespective of whether such opinions are even palatable, irrespective of whether those opinions are even convenient. It doesn't matter. Law is law. It favors you today. It may not favor you tomorrow. If it doesn't favor you today, it may favor you tomorrow. And that is the law. He should know. But for him now to have desecrated the holy temple of justice by making a far-reaching comments as if the AG has now become a court of appeal. By this, it is clear that the Attorney General of Kano State is advising the Kano State Government to toe the path of anarchy. Whatever happens in Kano State as a result of the ongoing self-imposed crisis, the first person to be held responsible in our own opinion should be the Attorney General, because he has shown that he has failed in his duty to give his professional advice. And we have a professional body as lawyers, the NBA. Our actions and all our inactions are regulated. His actions amounted to infamous conduct. That which he has done by his is in the media, is in the public media, where he has misled in totality the public and the Kano State Government, contrary to what is the clear ruling of the Federal High Court sitting in Kano yesterday. We are inviting the NBA to investigate the conduct of the Attorney General, because whatever happens in Kano is not going to end in Kano. It may likely spread out to other segments of the country.